legislative council at central level. Central level pe who will become the legislative council member? Central legislative council. It is indirectly elected by the people at the provincial level. Their governor and the council members, they have gone. Now I need to discuss, there should be someone, provincial legislative council. And provincial legislative council, how it will be there? At urban area, we have some kind of a smaller board and municipality and all. And they will elect and they will send. और ये सब किसके अंडर में था? म्युनिसिपैलिटी, ये सब BDC के अंडर में ही था. So these are non-officials and they have been coming into it, and some are nominated by at the central legislative council. Who is then elected, indirectly elected by the province and their council members, governor, and they have given indirectly elected member, and then also governor general has some nominated. This way they have made a non-official members. Another I said that, tell me, at provincial level there is also some non-official members are there. And how do they will? Indirectly elected. From the at urban level, some kind of at the urban board level, some kind of municipality, some kind of other structure is there. College, universities, they will elect, this body will elect, and they will come, and some indirectly nominated, some indirectly elected, and some nominated by governor. This way they will become the part of what? Provincial legislative council. इस तरीके से 1892 become the representation of Indian people. Yes or no? It become the representation of what? Indian people. Means representation has been started. चलिए start करें. So I said that in 1892 was enacted by the Parliament of UK to increase the size of the various legislative council in the British India, and this act was made in response to the demand from the Indian National Congress to expand legislative council. The number of additional member in the Imperial Legislative Council at Kolkata, Bengal, and Provincial Legislative Council were enhanced. In the Imperial Legislative Council, there would be 10 to 16 non-officials. How many there will be? Others are, you know that, other Executive Council, you know that. 10 to 16 will be what? Non-officials. At which level? Imperial. And at the provincial level, it should be how much? Not less than 8, but not more than 20. It lies between 8 and 20. It depends upon the size of the province and all. Understood? So I said that at provincial level, between 8 to 20. And at the imperial level, non-officials are 10 to 16. Or it has been said that the 2/5 of the total members of the councils were to be non-officials. कहीं पे भी जाएं तो 40% should be what? 40% non-officials. Some of them could be indirectly elected and others are nominated by the viceroy. Thus, a system or an element of election, albeit indirect, was introduced for the first time. तो थोड़ा हमें क्या लिखा है? Election, but even which kind of election? Indirect election. So which act shows election for the first time? Indian Council Act 1892 has shown that what is some extent of election, but it was our indirect. Understood? The non-officials member to the Imperial Legislative Councils were indirectly elected by the provincial legislatures. The provincial governor and their legislative council member will there elect for the member at Imperial Legislative Council. And the non-official members of the provincial legislative council में कहाँ से आएंगे? Council will be elected by the local bodies such as district board, municipalities, universities, and other chamber of commerce. Is it okay? This way indirectly, thus it was introduced the principle of representation. Yes or not? Representation of Indian people started coming. Understood it? लेकिन आपको ही पता है ये क्यों कर रहे हैं ये? क्या is it sufficient? लेकिन मेंबर डाल देने से कुछ होगा? जब हाथ में कुछ होगा ही नहीं, मुंह में जबान नहीं होगी, it is good to नहीं, you are the member of it. Then what is the use of it? जब जबान नहीं है, you do not have anything to speak and nothing to do, कल बैठे और चल दिए वापस. These are the things that they are doing. For the first time, the member of legislative was allowed to discuss the annual financial statement, and question can be asked within certain limits to the government on the matter of public interest, but after giving 6 days notice. 6 दिन नोटिस दो, उसके बाद भी वो गवर्नर जनरल देखेगा कि क्या काम किया है, तब होगा तो होगा, नहीं तो नहीं. कहाँ पे? If it is there of their use, generally वो तो deny करते थे. What they are denying? After giving 6 days notice, but none of them was given right to ask supplementary question. कभी क्वेश्चन एक के बाद खत्म हो सकता है? Sir, I am learning this. I especially in the debate kind of. This is a kind of debate. और debate में one question के बाद there is a list of some question can be there. Yes. And वहाँ पे तो बोल रहे हैं डिस्कशन करना है, but only one question. फिर is it a discussion? Huh? I said that they allowed to discuss the annual financial statement, and question can be asked within certain limits of the government on the matter of public interest after giving 6 days notice, but none of them was given the right to ask supplementary. So it is a contradictory statement. Discuss, but no supplementary questions. क्या बात है? कितने ब्रिटिशर्स दिमाग चला के काम कर रहे थे, और हम इंडियंस वो धीरे धीरे रियलाइज करते थे, अरे फिर again, after realizing, again it started for national movements. So the national movement, after realizing the last act, when we are started, in our moderates, they have said that we are not in the position to rule over India. उन्होंने क्या बोला? Let the Britishers to make our system better. We will do it later. We will do it. तो वो इसी भाव में चल रहे थे. Let it go. Every year they are having a meeting and all at the end of what is in December, and then the youth को सिखाया जा रहा था what is the political system, what is diplomacy and all some agendas every year. हाँ? लेकिन they are itself considering that I am not capable to rule. This is the moderate. और उसी में से कौन निकला? Extremist. लाल बाल पाल नाम सुना होगा, यही तो बच्चों को केवल याद रहता है. लाला लाजपत राय, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, एंड कौन? बिपिन चंद्र. So I said that thus it is prepared to best for the future Indian democracy. लेकिन हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि चलो भैया, something is better than nothing. Yes or not? So Indian Council Act 1892 has been given on the basis of whom? Indian National Congress pressure. And then Indian National Congress pressure कैसे आया? There are several movements are there. और उसका safety valve कौन था? Indian National Congress, several peasant movements, everything is going on. And thereafter it has been what? Release the pressure. And then every paper goes into the Indian National Congress, and Indian National Congress goes in front of the. वो आज तक मिला ही नहीं. लास्ट टाइम इन्होंने 1931 में फर्स्ट टाइम एनी इंडियन मीट विद द मिस्टर व्हाट? गवर्नर जनरल. एंड देन भिखारी, जिसको लोगों ने बोला था, द ब्रिटिशर्स टॉक्ड अबाउट लाइक दिस, वन भिखारी पर्सन इज मीटिंग, एंड हाउ कैन ए गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया कैन मीट विद दिस काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. दे हैव हाईली व्हाट इज एन क्रिटिसाइज्ड मिस्टर इरविन इन द गांधी इरविन पैक्ट. लेकिन उसकी तो जरूरत थी. And you know that at that time round table conference was going on, and in the first round table conference the Indian National Congress was not there, and it is very high much necessity. If the Indian National Congress is not there, then what is the use of this RTC? हम RTC के लिए बना रहे थे कि वो थोड़े दिन इंडियन को बेवकूफ बना सके, यही था ना. और जो बेवकूफ बनना वही नहीं आ रहा. The person who has to make fool, if he is not going to come, then वो तो हमेशा वही करते थे जो नहीं, वो चाहते थे कि let the empire to go as much it can stretch. So I said that. तो हमने क्या देखा? Under the pressure of Indian National Congress, the Indian Council Act 1892 came, and thereafter I said that they have said there will be what? Imperial Legislative Council, and there will be what? provincial legislative council. And imperial legislative council will have a member not more than, I said that, 10 to 60, and in the provincial legislative council it will not be more than 8 to 20. Understood? And they have said there will be a concept of indirect election, and there is a concept of nominated for the whom? Non-officials. यही तो देखा. इसका मतलब we clapped that at least Indian has got the chance of representation. Yes? अरे इनको तो उखाड़ के फेंकना चाहिए था. There should be some person like what, who can, what it is, think like anything. जैसे हाँ शिवाजी, हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, कोई भी आ जाए, उखाड़ कर फेंकने के लिए ताकत होना चाहिए. यस, लोगों को तैयार करने के लिए. हाँ, तिलक थे, वो तो बहुत ट्राई किए, उनको डर था, इसलिए उन्होंने 1908 में ही सेंट टू द यांगून, जिससे डर रहता था उठा के फेंक दो. आई सेड दैट इसका क्या दिख रहा है आपको? व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट? सो समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को? इसमें है ही कुछ नहीं, जान है क्या, आराम से इजिली है. And they have given some representation, but they have also given the chance to ask the question. And ask the question के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? You have to give note. They have said that it can be discussed. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. It should be discussed. Discussion का मतलब क्या है? It has been, legislature was allowed to discuss the annual financial statement, and question can be asked within the सरल limits. लेकिन one supplementary question के बाद no supplementary question after one question. तो मैं बोलता फिर discussion क्या है? फिर डिस्कस नहीं बोलना चाहिए. डायरेक्टली वन क्वेश्चन कैन बी ओनली आस्क्ड. ambiguous statement. And the limitation of the act, the officials retain the majority of the councils. Actual में क्या था? Majority of the officers. How it can be majority of the officers? Tell me. हमने अभी बोला 40% तो है ही, तो 60% who? Officials. Governor General is strong. लेकिन ये भी नहीं है, जो nominated हैं, those who are nominated non-officials and those who are not elected, indirectly elected, they are also favorable to what? Favoring whom? So they are also officials. ये आगे में यही कहानी देखोगे आप. They keep on increasing non-officials, but they are all are. तो खाली देखने में लग रहा है. So we said that officials retain the majority in the council, thus leaving the voice of non-officials ineffective. अरे बोलते ही नहीं थे, चुप बैठ के ही आ जाते थे. The reformed imperial council up to 1909 on average made 13 days in a year, and then attendance of non-official member was very poor. Or till Morley Minto reform came in 1909, and till then what is happening? Till then they are meeting every day, 13 days every meeting is there. But who is meeting? Officials. And non-officials are, जब उनकी कुछ पूछी नहीं जाती थी तो they stopped coming. For how many days you will go regular basis? And nobody is asking. Slowly they stopped coming. This is the situation it is happening. The very poor representation the people has been become. Then what is this every 13 days meeting, and every 13 days meeting and nothing result is coming out? I said that budget could neither be voted upon nor could any amendments be made to it. यदि आपको बजट में क्वेश्चन पूछना है केवल, and already it is vote तो होना ही नहीं है, the budget is already passed. Budget is already, annual finance statement has been already passed. You can't really question me, पूछो sir, how much it will be helpful for the Indian? Too much, go away. ये क्या मतलब है यार? तो ये तो हंसी उड़ा रहे. It looks like that Indians are full. It is in a completely, what it is in a kind of what? Baseless act has been given, and Indians are happy. And who are happy? Indian National Congress. और ये सब कौन देख रहे थे? Some extremists they are watching. They are finding it not good. Supplementary could neither be asked nor could answer be discussed. ये सारे बकवास है. Let's see. From the 1899 to 1905, there is a Mr. Lord Curzon. Or 1894 to 1899, Elgin II was there. After Lansdowne, who was there? Elgin II. इससे पहले भी Elgin first आए हैं. So हम लोग क्या देखा था 1876 to 1880 who is there? Lytton Harami. And thereafter I say 1880 Ripon. 82, 84, 76, 80, 84, 88 and 88 के बाद 94. And then after I said that Dufferin, Indian National Congress 84 to 88 and last down 88 to 94 and 94 to 99 Elgin second and 1899 to 1905 who is there? Lord Curzon. And Lord Curzon openly criticized Indian doesn't have the power to rule. Openly criticized. And nobody liked it. And it has been said that he simply said, because I am not able to rule this large area of Bengal, therefore I am going to, for the what? Better, I said that governance, I am going to divide it. But I have said earlier, आप लोगों में कह भी चुका हूँ कि what is the process are there?